Each carry handle storage box includes 4 complete ratchet straps with bright orange webbing, 4 bright orange soft loop straps, a heavy-duty vinyl storage bag, safety and usage instructions, and cool stickers for your truck or trailer. Some of the special features include 1.6-inch webbing that is 3 times stronger than standard 1-inch tie-down webbing. The ratchet buckles have ergonomic rubber-coated handles that are easy to use even when wearing gloves or in bad weather. Each strap has heavy-duty vinyl-coated S-hooks with latches for easy attachment, and they stay attached even when the tension is off the strap. The vinyl loop straps form temporary anchor points around your trailer and also are great for attaching to handlebars or other parts of your vehicle with chrome or paint that you don't want to scratch. Of course, each strap includes a complete DOT-compliant warning tag that clearly states the safe working load, so you will easily be prepared for any roadside inspection.